Hi, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the HiCam Store Speed 10 action camera. It's a 5K 30 FPS waterproof camera down to 131 feet with EIS technology. Comes with a remote control sports camera, 5x zoom, and two 1350 milliamp batteries. Comes in nice packaging. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. It came quick in the mail, overnight delivery. When you first open it up, it has the QR codes. I'd highly recommend that you take time to scan the QR codes to look at the instruction videos, as well as connect on their Facebook and Instagram pages for the latest information. It also comes with a quick download guide. Go ahead and hit that QR code and it gives you the ability to download an app. And then it also comes with a user manual. And so as you get into it, the camera already comes with the waterproof case. It's a nice case. You can take it out of the case and have a closer look at it. This does go down to 131 feet to have waterproof, so it should be rainproof, snowproof. It's a nice design, good square design. You have the ability to use it outside the carrying case, although for what we're gonna use it for outdoor adventures, the case is a nice feature that comes included. You don't have to purchase it afterwards. It also comes with one battery and two batteries. And then there is also an accessories kit. So we'll open up the accessory kit. Inside, all the accessories that you need to get the party started and have a good time taking video. The reason that we got this camera, it was relatively inexpensive with our family and our young kids. They're the ones that are primarily going to use it. So we needed something sturdy, obviously something that's good quality. So it has the 5K, 30 frames per second. It does offer 4K as well. And you know, we're not going to beat it up too much, but I'm sure it'll get wear and tear out of it. And for the price point, this is one of the best cameras on the market. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channels, and we're going to get this thing out and use it and have some fun with the camera.